61A lecture number 16, announcements. Homework 4 is due Thursday. Part of homework 4 is the mid-semester feedback survey. Please fill that out. We also have a new office hours schedule starting this week that you'll find here in office hours. It's the same format, just we're covering different times with different number of people in order to provide more support when the students seem to want it. So hopefully that will mean reduced wait times when you're asking questions in office hours. Part of this change is that advising office hours are now by appointment only at various times, so click on this link here to be brought to a calendar where you can book an appointment. Last Friday's lecture got posted late. Well, the announcements video got posted on time, but the whole lecture wasn't ready. So I posted most of it and then tried to slot in the last couple of videos right afterwards, but those actually took me a while to complete. And so some students watched the lecture without having a complete playlist. So if you go back to Friday's lecture and look at that playlist, when it was posted, there were announcements and natural language syntax and data abstraction and parsing, but this video was missing until about an hour afterwards, and actually 100 people had already watched these videos before this ever got posted. And then this last video I added in the evening. So nearly 200 people had watched all of these when this video was missing. If you're one of those people, sorry, I don't normally post things late, but this time I did. And if you'd like to get the complete experience, but you missed one of these last two videos, then go back and watch them now. Today's lecture about iterators combines what we've been learning about sequences with what we've been learning about mutation, and introduces a topic that you'll see many times in future courses as well, because it's a standard feature of programming languages and a useful one at that.